Number 4. Number 4 says, which diagram shows that cube R is more dense than water, but cube S is less dense than water? So we're looking for the diagram that shows cube R is more dense than water. So I remember that means it would sink. And cube S is less dense than water. So if I remember that it's less dense, I would know that that would float. So I'm going to come down, and before I do anything, I'm going to draw a cup. I'm going to have my water in it, and I'm going to write my strategies that dense equals down, and I'm going to know that at the bottom, that is my most dense, and if it's most dense, it will sink. And then I know up here, this is less dense, and I can remember if it's less dense, it will float, and hopefully that will help me. So what should I do if cube R is more dense and it will sink? Where should I put that, Sam?
At the bottom.
At the bottom. So I'm going to draw this and put an R. How about cube S is less dense? What do you think? Akash.
It should be the top.
It should be at the top. So I'm going to draw this, and I'm going to put an S. With that being said, I'm going to find my picture. I'm going to look for S on top. Well, this one has S on top. R on bottom. That is wrong. R is more dense. It should be at the bottom. We can take A out. And if I look at B, S is on the bottom. Well, over here, I have R is more dense. So that takes B out. On C, I have R more dense. That's correct. S less dense. That's our maybe. If I look at D, we have S. We have R at the bottom, so that's correct. But S should be less dense up here. So that makes D incorrect. That C is our answer.